Hi, third graders. The next assignment you're going to be working on for word study is the pattern sort page in your Unit 29 packet. You are going to write each word under the correct prefix. Our prefixes are dis, miss, and pre. Let's read the words together. Disobey, premature, misfit, preschool, dishonest, misdeed, disable, prefix, misspell, distaste, mislead, pre-cook. Write the words in the correct category with your pencil. Pause the video while you do that. When you are finished writing all the words, unpause the video so that you can check your answers and see how you did. If you have all the words written in the different categories, dis, miss, and pre, then you are ready to check your work. In the dis column, you should have disobey, dishonest, distaste, and disable. In the miss column, misspell, misdeed, misfit, and mislead. And in the pre column, premature, preschool, prefix, and pre-cook. When you are finished correcting, save your word study packet in your reading folder.